Hello and welcome to this small unboxing video. Some people of you wanted me to open some Yu-Gi-Oh packs after I streamed a bit of Yu-Gi-Oh stuff and I said that I kinda like this game still. So I bought 3 packs from the Premium Gold edition because I thought this pack is the pack that's like most interesting for me as a collectionist. I just like having the cards. So let's just start. Those packs, the cards are in German, so don't be like too sad if it's in German. There, in this card pack, there can be the God cards, the Egyptian God cards. They can be in this pack, not in those two. So we'll open those two first, and then we'll continue to this pack. And I will just open the first one, and let's see what's in it. Try to open it here on the side. That should work. Okay. And there's the pack. Premium Gold. With 10 cards. Let's just open them. Can I just open them like that? Oh yeah, I can. Okay. We want the best cards at the end. So let's take the first 4 cards and put them to the back. And let's see. The first card is... Oh god, I can't even read that. It's a lion. Lion flower? I don't know what's the English word. That's the problem. Looks pretty nice and shiny. It's golden, of course, because it's the premium gold set. Everything shines. Like the stars are shiny and the name of the card is shiny and the card itself is shiny and the border of the card is shiny. Looks pretty nice. The next card is a snake. The problem is I don't know the English words. I just hope that you can kind of see what it is. Here again, very, very shiny, very nice. Oh, I have that card in non-golden. It's a pretty nice card, but it doesn't have that nice glowing effect. I have this card in another... I think it's a secret rare, where I have this card too. Okay, the next one is a trap, whatever, Dianaria. 4-star card. Looks pretty interesting too. It's nice glowing effect. Elementar Hero Prisma. Woo! Here again, very, very nice glowing effect with the stars and the text. Magic card. Oh, and there's the first super premium card. Okay, I would say let's look at the rare cards. I can already see an XYZ card, but let's look at the first one. The first one is... Oh, I don't know that card. Do you know that? The problem is I don't really know how they are called in English. But the whole card is like shiny and has a nice stripe effect. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's pretty shiny. Next card, the XYZ monster. Number 21, Frozen Lady Justice, I think it is. I don't get this XYZ thing. I think I have to still read how this works. We have a trap card. Oh god, it's so hard to read the text with this glowing. Again, very, very nice effect. Still this stripe glowing effect with the stars. And the last card is Pero Cerberus. I hope it's the same name in other languages too. And again, this nice stripe effect. Oh yeah. So that's the first pack. First pack done. Let's go to the next one, Premium Gold. By the way, those packs were kind of expensive because the cards are like so high premium stuff and pretty rare. I mean, one of those cards is worth around €1. One of those glowing shiny cards. Those packs cost like €10 the pack, and this one costed 20 because it's older and because there are like the gods card can be in there. So this thing is kind of more interesting. But I only bought one of them because they're so expensive. So going to the next Premium Gold. Yeah. Open it. Open it. Okay, good. Ah, the taste of new cards in the morning. Let's take the first 4 again, put them behind, so we have them in the end. Attack on Lightbridge, I think it is. Spell card with a nice wolf. Again, this glowing shiny effect and the golden border around the card. Another trap whatever card. I hope you can always see the card in its fuel list. Again, nice lightning effect. Book of Moon, I think it is. Oh, a synchro card. I will never understand how they work and yeah. Armades. Okay. Oh god, 5 God Dragon. 5 God Dragon. Oh yeah. In gold. That's a card. And the next one too. The next one is Kaiba's Crush card. In golden. That one is banned in tournaments, but it's nice for a collectionist. Okay, the first super premium holo card is a synchro card. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh god, I can't read the name of it because of the glowing effect. But this card doesn't look too nice, it has only 2 stars, but hey! It has this nice stripe effect, so it's worth something. Next card being, again I can't read this. That's 4 stars. Blackwing question mark? I don't know, but again looks pretty nice. Again with that glowing effect. And the last card is Christmas something. I don't know. Okay, so that's the Premium Gold 2 set. 20 cards. And now we are going to the interesting one. The old Premium Gold set. And I'm pretty interested what's in there. So let's open that pack too. There it is. Premium Gold. Are you ready? It's not very likely that the God card is in there, but there's still hope. So let's start. Exploding Dragon, I think, something like that. Again, nice gold effect and stuff like that. Icarus attack, a trap card. Des Volstgalf. That card looks pretty interesting. Another trap card that makes other trap cards useless. Okay. NXYZ monster. I don't care for that one. A magic card. I don't know what this is. Okay, to the 4 interesting cards. I can't read that. on! Egyptian god card. I don't know the English name, but it's obelisk. Woo! Obelisk! In premium gold. Oh yeah. That pack was already worth it. Okay. That one. That one. Oh yeah. Then you have a synchro monster. I don't care for that one. And another XYZ monster. I don't care for that one. Okay, so that's the whole gold card pack with obelisk. Oh yeah. The first and I think only god card I will ever hold in my hands. Oh yeah. So that was the unboxing for Yu-Gi-Oh! Premium Gold. 3 packs. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. And let's take the camera. And the next video I will make is the first Japan vlog. See you there.